Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can craft a 2-star winter frost season food in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, for my cooking challenge, I need to craft a 2-star winter frost season food. And if we want to craft winter frost season food, we need to use the penguin stove. Actually, I have it at my house, but I'm just going to use the penguin stove from Massimo. I'm just going to use this stove. And basically, guys, 2-star food is a food with 2 stars as the score while we're cooking it. And I'm going to show you the example. Wait, let me open up my backpack. Okay, here my salad got 2 stars. And we need to get 2 stars as the score when we cook the food. Okay, and now let's practice to cook, and I hope that we can get 2 stars. Okay, since we need to cook the winter frost season food, we need to use the winter frost season food recipe. These are the food from the winter frost season. Okay, let's start cooking. And to get 2 stars, you need to be fast in adjusting the heat level. So when you get the alert, you need to immediately adjust the heat level. And it will help you to get 2 stars. Okay, adjust the heat level quickly as soon as it appears. And oh, I just got 1 star. So we need to try again, guys. And yeah, basically that's how you can craft a 2-star winter frost season food in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!